Little Rhymingo.
Hello, kids. Let's dive into the ocean deep, where sea friends play and secrets keep. A is for angelfish dancing in the sea. B is for blue whales singing joyfully. C is for clownfish hiding in the reef. D is for dolphin jumping full of glee. E is for eel sliding silently. F is for flying fish gliding through the waves. G is for grouper lurking in the caves. H is for hammerhead shark swimming far and wide. I is for earroot candy jellyfish, tiny lights inside. J is for jellyfish floating with grace. K is for krill, tiny friends of whales. L is for lionfish, specky and bright. M is for manatee, gentle and slow. N is for nautilus, spider